Composting, nature's recycling system for a greener world. Meet Eva and Betty, two young eco-warriors ready to embark on an exciting journey of composting and discover nature's recycling system for a greener world. Our story begins with gathering organic waste, like fruit peels and vegetable trimmings, to kickstart their composting adventure. They carefully create layers of organic waste and brown materials, like leaves and twigs, ensuring a perfect balance of carbon and nitrogen. Next, they sprinkle water to keep the compost moist, an essential ingredient for the microorganisms to thrive. In the following weeks, they will be turning the compost pile regularly, providing oxygen to the microorganisms, aiding the decomposition process. Weeks pass, and the magic of composting unfolds. Microorganisms, such as bacteria and earthworms, diligently break down the organic waste, transforming it into nutrient-rich compost. With anticipation, the girls marvel at the sight of their compost, a testament to the power of nature's recycling system. Now comes the exciting part. They carefully spread the nutrient-rich compost in the garden, embracing the opportunity to nourish their plants and promote soil health. With each seed planted and each young plant carefully tucked in, the girls witness the impact of composting on the garden's growth. The garden thrives, vibrant and lush, thanks to the nourishing effects of composting. It's a testament to the dedication and the transformative power of organic waste. Through their composting journey, the girls have become guardians of the environment, reducing waste and nurturing the soil for a greener future.